Hey, what's up everyone? It's Khushi here and today we are talking about an exciting topic for all you beginner entrepreneurs and YouTubers, creative merch ideas that will actually sell. It does not matter if you're just starting out or looking for ways to grow your brand. Learning how to choose the right merch for your audience can make or break your merch success. But before we get into these 49 out-of-the-box merch ideas, let's talk about the 4 things that you can do to choose the merch that will fly right off your shelves. First up is tip number 1. Choose products that your audience wants. There's no point in selling makeup on a YouTube channel about motorcycles. You want to create items that resonate with your audience, something that they'll happily use or wear. So think about what your audience actually wants. Tip number 2. Reflect your brand's values and sell products that you can stand behind. Your merch is an extension of your brand, and as a YouTuber or a young entrepreneur, your brand values will likely be your own values. So, what do you care about? Do not sell paper confetti if you and your audience cares about deforestation. Instead, sell reusable coffee tumblers made from recycled materials. Makes sense, right? Tip number 3. Give people a chance by providing merch options at different prices. For new followers who want to support you but they're not ready to spend much, offer inexpensive merch products such as stickers or keychains. For regular fans who are a bit more invested, you can offer items that cost a bit more, like t-shirts or mugs. And for your most dedicated fans out there, you can even offer something more pricier and something that'll be precious to them, like limited edition hoodies or custom artwork. Finally, tip number 4. Match your merch to seasons, holidays, trends, or newsworthy events in your niche. In the winter months, go for cozy items like beanies, candles, or even throw blankets. On the other hand, items like baseball caps, sunglasses, and beach towels are perfect for summer. And do not forget about special times in your niche, like a video game release or a sports event. Special times could also be religious holidays like Christmas or Ramadan. Now that you've got an idea about how to choose the winning merch, let's get into the fun part. Presenting to you 49 creative merch ideas. So let's start the clock. First up is branded sweets. This novelty product can be a hit, especially if the sweets are a little bit quirky or unique. Obviously, this product won't sell if your channel talks about health, wellness, or fitness, but then in that case, you could sell items like sweatbands, protein shake bottles, or phone armbands. Reusable water bottles are also perfect for health-conscious or environmentally conscious audiences, and it will keep your brand in their hands every day. Moving on, hair accessories like branded hair clips or other hair accessories are another small and inexpensive merch idea which are perfect for your up-and-coming beauty or fashion entrepreneurs. For your most engaged fans, you could also sell jewelry or branded cosmetics like lip gloss or makeup banners. And jewelry is for everyone. So men's fashion YouTubers can also tap in that market with the help of products like bracelets or cufflinks, as well as accessories like watches, bandanas, or belts. And do not forget keychains. They are inexpensive, small, but very useful. Maybe your audience would also love a wallet, a purse, an eyeglass case, or even a pen. And if you have a younger audience who loves to personalize their stuff, stickers and patches are a great merch idea. Not only are they inexpensive for fans, but they also help to advertise your brand and get your channel's name out there in the market. And if your audience loves to collect, you could also consider magnets. Do you also like to talk about travel on your YouTube channel? Then you know that every traveler would love an out-of-the-box merch idea, like an engraved compass or, more practically, a branded passport cover. Talking about the next item, everyone loves a good notebook, especially students and people who journal. And there's plenty of creative merch ideas for people into cooking. I mean, you really cannot go wrong with kitchenware. You can sell branded items like chopping boards, kitchen towels, or knife sets. And if your audience is into a particular sport, try to think of items they need often For beach sports, a beach towel or sun hat is a good idea. In snow sports, everyone needs lip balm to prevent chapped lips. If you are teaching yoga on your channel, consider yoga mats or yoga blocks. For musician, bands, or other music-focused channels, branded guitar picks or drumsticks can be a great way to connect with your audience. There are also tons of creative merch ideas for you gamers out there. Items like mousepad, gaming chair cushions, controller sticks, and even cosplay merch. We can finally stop the clock now. I know that was a lot of creative merch ideas, but hopefully they can help you connect with your audience and grow your brand. Finally, if you are looking for a way to dropship creative ideas like these, you can also use Pocket's dropshipping tool to sell all of these products and much more. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Check it out and let me know how it goes. Thanks for spending time with me today. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing out for the day. Happy dropshipping!